Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is number of order prediction. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which is used to predict the sales of an orders. So here are some parameters which takes the input from the users and is used to predict the value, which is the sales. So we will enter some dummy values and see what is the output of this model. So for the store ID we will enter, for example, 105. Then for store type, let's say S3 is the store type. Likewise, location type is L1, L2, region code is R1, and we will enter some date like 5/02/24. Then we will enter holiday, 1 for holiday and 0 for not a holiday. So we will enter 1 here. Then whether we have any discount, we will enter yes. Then number of orders, we will enter 20, for example. Then we will click on this predict sales button. Then you can see that the sales are 18595. So you can also check the source files from clicking on this files options, and here you can see app.py requirement.txt file, and you can also access the source code by clicking on this app.py file where you can see all the code written to make this UI application in Streamlit. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.